I'm going to show you how to change your name on TikTok. Whether you're tired of your old name or you just want to start fresh, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Why change your name on TikTok? There are a few reasons why you might want to change your name on TikTok. Maybe you're tired of your old name, or maybe you want to start fresh with a new identity. You might also want to change your name if you're starting a business account, or if you're trying to protect your privacy. How to change your name on TikTok. To change your name on TikTok, follow these steps. Open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap the Edit Profile. Tap Name. Enter your new name and tap Save. Things to keep in mind. Your new name must adhere to TikTok's community guidelines. You can change your name only once in 7 days, so be careful what you choose. Your new name cannot be the same as another user's name. If your new name is not available, you will see an error message. If you change your name, your old name will still be visible to people who have saved your videos or followed you using your old name. When choosing a new name, try to choose something that is memorable and easy to pronounce. You can also use a nickname or creative spelling of your name to make it more unique. If you are a business account, be sure to choose a name that reflects your brand. Once you have chosen a new name, be sure to update your profile and any other social media accounts that use the same name. If you're not sure what name to choose, try brainstorming a list of names that you like. You can also ask your friends and family for suggestions. Once you've chosen a new name, try it out for a few days before you change your name on TikTok. This will give you a chance to make sure that you're happy with your new name. If you decide that you don't like your new name, you can always change it back. Just follow the same steps that you used to change your name in the first place. That's it. Your name will be changed immediately. How to change your name on TikTok if you're under 13. If you're under 13, you can still change your name on TikTok, but you'll need to get your parent or guardian's permission. To do this, follow these steps. Open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap the Edit Profile. Tap Name. Enter your new name and tap Save. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm your parent or guardian's permission. Click on Get Permission. Enter your parent or guardian's email address and click Send. Your parent or guardian will receive an email from TikTok with a link to approve your name change. Once they approve it, your name will be changed. That's it for this video on how to change your name on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.